The notes for this video are found in section 3, bottom flat of your Unit 3 quadratic functions flipbook. It's the bottom left-hand corner. You've already completed the section where the essential question was, how do I graph a vertex form quadratic? This part over here I just needed to squeeze in. I didn't have any space in the flipbook, so I put it in this section. The essential question here is, how do I convert a vertex form quadratic to standard form? How do I change a quadratic that's in vertex form to standard form? Now the process for doing this class is something you learned in the last unit, polynomials. We're going to be using our distribution property to convert this function. Function f is equal to 2 times the quantity x minus 3 squared minus 1. All we're going to have to do is go through distributive property to solve this. Let's go ahead and do that. So I can go ahead and rewrite this. Class, you have learned that when you have something in parentheses squared, this parentheses just mean, this exponent just means duplicate the value in parentheses as many times as you have an exponent. So 2 means just duplicate it twice. So we're going to write f of x is equal to, let me correct that, f of x is equal to 2 times x minus 3. There's the first copy. There is our second copy. And then we just subtract 1. So the exponent here just means write the binomial x minus 3 twice. And now the exponent is gone because we've already done what it asked us to do. Now we got to go through distribution. Let's go ahead and distribute the 2 into the first binomial. So I'm going to multiply 2 times x, and that's going to be 2x. 2 times negative 3 is negative x. That becomes a brand new binomial. Then we still have the x minus 3 on the end. And then don't forget the minus 1. That's going to hang around till the very end. Now we can distribute 2 binomials. So the function f of x is equal to, I'm going to use distribution, so we're going to take the 2x and distribute it to the x minus 3, or the second binomial. And then we're going to distribute the negative 6 to the x minus 3 binomial as well, and then don't forget our minus 1. Next step, let's just go ahead and distribute the binomials to the monomials to the binomials. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. Negative 6 times x is negative 6x. And negative 6 times negative 3 is positive 18. And then we still have our subtract 1 on the end. And now we see we've got some common terms. These two terms have the same variable with the same exponent. So those can be combined. And then these two constants, 18 and negative 1, can also be combined. So our final standard form function is going to be 2x squared. Negative 6x minus 6x is negative 12x. And 18 minus 1 is positive 17. So there is our standard form. We started with vertex form, we used distribution, and ended up with a standard form quadratic. F of x is equal to 2x squared minus 12x plus 17.